So, Legacy Builder Program, a program designed for ambitious individuals who want to build a passive income stream online, leave the 9 to 5 grind, and create a legacy for their families. Purpose: helps participants break free from traditional jobs, build real online income with just 2 hours a day, and learn how to sell digital products and automate their business. So, my background, by the way, my name is Brian Shahbaz, and my own experience, how I was a broke warehouse worker. After countless strategies, I finally cracked the code on 100% automated online business that pays daily. So the Launchpad program, the first step offering you is an automated system with free ads starting $100 commissions. It is beginner friendly launch kit designed to provide immediate structure and support. Passive Daily Blueprint teaches you how to attract leads and close sales using faceless marketing. Simple ad strategies allowing for traffic and conversions without showing your face or heavy ad spending. Digital Mastery focuses on scaling income by building email lists, learning affiliate marketing, and mastering recurring revenue strategies, potentially leading to 6-figure months. It marks the transition from a beginner to a business owner. The Legacy Builder Blueprint, a complete guide to creating digital product, launching your program, and building a long-term brand that can earn you and generate you $900 plus daily, shifting from selling for others to building your own empire. Program duration and access. Features are flexible and self-paced with lifetime access to updates, live mentorship, and community support. Investment. So the full program bundle is $900 plus one-time $29 website fee, with options purchase and individual packages starting at $100 and available payment plans. Post-program outcomes. After completing the programs, will fully automated will have a fully automated business to scale and daily income from 1 to 4 digital products and acquire marketing and branding skills from long-term monetization. So my call to action is I'll invite you to DM me or click the link below to say I'm in, to get started, to build your legacy and join the community of over 30,000 online earners. So I'll leave my contact details below. And if you want to connect with me on Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram, I'll put it down below in the description. So yeah, let's go. Let's get you some financial freedom. Let's go.